Hi, I'm Alex, Head of Lending at Fair For You. I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about some of the reasons why we decline applications, because we do have many people asking. Okay, now of course we would love to agree all the loan applications that we get, but unfortunately we can't help everybody, even though we would like to. Now there can be some simple reasons for this, and that can be because we've not got enough information about you to actually make a decision. This can be simple, silly things like typos, your name, your address, your date of birth. If you've not put that in correctly, we might not be able to link your details to your credit file, and therefore we can't see your information to make a decision. Be careful if you're using your phone and you're using autofill, because that can often put your information in the wrong boxes, the wrong places, and that means, again, we might not be able to get your credit file correctly. Okay, your previous address. Make sure if you've lived at your current address for less than 3 years, you say so in the application so we can get your previous address. This all helps with your application. All right. Now, we look at how you're managing your existing credit from your credit file. Okay. If you look like you're struggling to pay your existing credit, we won't be able to lend to you because we can't evidence that you can afford another loan on top of what you already have. All right. Now we do affordability calculations as well, and these are based upon how much credit you already have, how much your monthly outgoings are, and this includes defaults too, so they're taken into consideration. The other thing we have to take into consideration is that you pay rent, you pay mortgage, gas, electricity, water, all of these things. And with all of this combined, if you don't pass our affordability calculations, that means we don't see that you have enough money left over to pay for another loan, and we really can't just lend to you. Okay. Now, Fair For You, we are a responsible lender, but we have strict rules to follow from our regulators around affordability. Okay. Now, if it's your second or third loan, we will be asking for more information. Your first loan, we may not have asked for bank statements, but if you're having a second or a third, this is more money that we're lending to you, and this is a higher amount, so we have to do some more checks, and that will be why that we'll ask you for bank statements, just to check your affordability and that you're managing your finances okay at the moment. Okay. Now, we do see a lot of misreporting on people's credit files. We've done some surveys with customers, and it's quite interesting how many people have incorrect information on their credit files. So therefore, it's really important for you to be checking yours, and not just a one-off, regularly, to see what's on there. Is there anything on there that's wrong? Dispute it. Noddle.co.uk. It's free, you can check your credit file, and you can dispute things in a couple of clicks. It's really easy. Now, frustratingly, we're not able to tell you what we can see on your credit file that's made us decline your loan. I know that's difficult for you when you can't understand why we've declined your loan, but we are bound by the Data Protection Act with that, and that's why it's so important for you to check your file. Okay. Do you think we're wrong in our decision? Of course you can appeal it. Just reply to our email declining you and explain why. Give us extra information that you think is relevant to your application, that would help, that would explain why you can afford the loan, because we only see your application and some data. We don't see your situation and what's happening or what you necessarily do or don't pay for. So give us that information, help us out. Okay, and we also have a company policy, which is that if you have a loan with us already, we will only look at another loan for you if you've repaid a third of the existing loans that you've got. Okay, so if you're looking to have another loan from us, brilliant, but please check that you've repaid a third first. Now, you can do this on our website. If you haven't registered already in our online statement section, you can register now and you can keep track of your online balance. Okay, or contact us on web chat and we'll check for you. So that's it for now, but please always remember, check your application form, fill everything in correctly, regularly check your credit file, and you should find that helps. Thanks.